The QIXING RV is a cutting-edge Chinese motorhome that combines sleek design, advanced tech, and luxurious comfort for an unforgettable travel experience. Perfect for both adventurers and those seeking luxury on the road, it's the ideal choice for exploring in style and ease. The QIXING RV can typically accommodate 6 to 8 passengers, depending on the specific model and configuration. Its design focuses on maximizing space and comfort, providing ample seating, sleeping, and living areas for both long trips and short getaways. The QIXING RV offers a fully equipped kitchen with a stove, fridge, microwave, sink, and ample storage, plus an optional oven or coffee maker. The bathroom includes a shower, RV toilet, sink, and storage, with ventilation for freshness. Both spaces are designed for comfort and convenience on the road. The top deck of the QIXING RV features sleeping quarters with beds or bunks, offering a cozy, private space. Some models may also include extra storage or a small lounge area for added comfort. The main bedroom of the QIXING RV features a large, comfortable bed, queen or king size, built-in storage, and optional amenities like ambient lighting, a TV, and climate control, offering a cozy and private retreat. The QIXING RV has a sleek, double-deck design, about 4 meters tall, with large windows, extended awnings, and outdoor storage. Built on a heavy-duty chassis with advanced suspension, it offers a smooth ride. Some models include solar panels and LED lighting.